I hope you've been outside and hearing and seeing the cicadas, or at least the evidence that they're leaving behind. The annual cicadas are also called dog day cicadas because they come out during the hottest times of the summer, which is right now. So you may be seeing a lot of the different exoskeleton, which are the shed skins of the cicadas. They are crawling out of the ground in their last nymphal stage. They're gonna find a tree or a building or something to hang on to, and then they'll go through their final molt, and then they'll turn into adults. When they emerge, it's really cool, and you may be able to see them if you go out at nighttime these days with a headlamp and look for them. You may see them starting to emerge, but they need to hang upside down and vertical so that they can inflate their wings and let them dry so they can fly away. And if you are able to let that happen, you will be able to see them in the trees, flying around, and you'll also be able to hear them. They are one of the loudest things out there. They can be louder than a lawnmower. So get outside and listen to those sounds of summer.